Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we have an exciting review of the trinocular microscope with 40X-5000X magnification, research grade. This powerful biological microscope is perfect for doctors, amateur scientists, and enthusiasts who want to explore the fascinating world of life. The trinocular compound microscope is versatile and designed for viewing minute details on slides. It's perfect for clinicians, high school and college science students, as well as enthusiastic hobbyists. The professional scientific head is fully rotatable for easy sharing and comes with interchangeable wide-angle 10x and 25x glass eyepieces. The ergonomic 30-degree tilt reduces neck pressure, allowing for easy adjustment of different pupil spacing without losing focus. Constructed with high-quality materials, this microscope features bright field dark field, a halogen lamp with variable resistor control for light intensity, and a 1.25 Na AB spotting lens with variable aperture and rack and pinion focus control for precise focus, clear inspection, and light control. The research microscope kit is widely used in students' subjects in classes for learning and experimental operations, making it suitable for amateur applications or laboratories. And as always, customer satisfaction is our top priority. We stand behind the quality of our products, and if you have any questions or are not satisfied with your purchase, please contact us for a guaranteed solution. Don't miss out on this incredible trinocular microscope. Click the link in the description to get yours today and start exploring the amazing world of life with clarity and precision. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and recommendations. Thanks for watching.